Is this thing working? Family, now I know I came to y'all a couple of days ago and told you guys that I was going to be trying that Asian remedy that is supposedly supposed to make you lose 3 pounds every day as long as you're taking it. Girl, I am a very impatient person, okay? Extremely impatient person. So, of course, I told y'all it wasn't going to be the next day. I said, girl, I'm going to wait probably until next week before I come to y'all and tell y'all how this stuff works and all of this stuff. Let me just tell you, okay? I sent the juice man to the store to get the ingredients, okay? Had to get me a brand new box of baking soda. Also had to get me a couple of lemons. Let me just tell you guys this. This is not going to be a long video. I'm about to actually go out of town and go and spend some time with my family, okay? All I am going to say is, for those of you who saw my saltwater flush video, first and foremost, I will link that in the description box down below. Honey, all I am going to tell you is, if you take this stuff, stay near somebody's bathroom. I don't care who bathroom it is. I don't care if it's yours. I'm going to say this. I'm going to say it loud and clear, okay? I'm going to come close so y'all can hear me loud and clear. You are going to be on the toilet, okay? Ooh, it's going to come like a thief in the night, all right? It is going to come like a thief in the night, honey. I was not expecting that at all. I know they said it makes you use the bathroom, but honey, okay? Y'all remember that pin post that I put on my last video when I was talking about this? That girl that said she took it in within 10 minutes, okay? Within 10 minutes it started to work. She wasn't lying, okay? Within 10 minutes, and y'all know I can't even get to the bathroom that fast, okay? I can't get to the bathroom that fast. Honey, my foot is jacked up, okay? I can't get to the bathroom that fast, so I'm sitting there trying to hop to the bathroom. And honey, let me just say this, okay? If you have anywhere to go, if you got to go to work, if you got to go to take your children to school, if you got to, if you're trying to go exercise, look, okay? You need to plan this out. Do it on a day where you ain't really got nothing to do. I can't even say do it at night. Reason being is because you probably ain't finna get no sleep. You're gonna be up all night long on the toilet, okay? All night long on the toilet, all right? Now, I didn't even weigh myself. Reason being is because, like I said, I'm hard-headed, okay? I'm hard-headed, and I can't wait and give stuff time enough to actually you know, do what it's supposed to do. All I'm gonna say is I just came to make this quick. I'm gonna come back with an update and let you, because I'm gonna keep doing it, okay? I'm gonna keep doing it because apparently it detoxifies your body and all this stuff. All I'm gonna say is stay next to the toilet. Don't say I didn't warn you, because if you try to get in your car, you try to drive somewhere, guess what's gonna happen? Don't blame me if you do the number 2 on yourself. That's all I'm gonna say. Cause honey, and so I can see will it make you lose 3 pounds every day? Yes, probably, because it's gonna be all that fecal matter. Because a lot of people, I hear a lot of people who say they can't go to the bathroom. They don't go to the bathroom on a regular basis. I'm just gonna tell you this right here, right now. Okay, if you are a person who has problems going to the bathroom, you won't after you take this. Okay, you will not after you take this. It's nasty as all hell. I'm telling you that. Okay, I rank it right up there with the salt water. Right up there with the salt water. That's all I pretty much came to tell y'all. So can you lose 3 pounds every day? No, yep, because all your insides is about to be gone. Okay, all of them. And that's it, and that's all. Peace.